Alright, boys. It's the day. Today's the day. We'll let's see here. Stock manifolds are coming out. What we got? We got a set of Doug Thorly Tri-Wise crossover, Super 40 Series Flowmaster, a little tiny baby turn down. He's gonna be friggin' loud. Hey yo, old nasty cast manifold out. Oh yeah. Getting to the good stuff. All new everything. Alright boys, headers are installed. I always tighten the header center out. Get good gaskets. Alright boys, here's what we got. Header comes down. Everything's just sitting here, nothing tight yet. Come on down. This comes into a junction. Right there, it's a 3-inch. And then this header, same deal. Comes on down, comes over, connects right there, continues over here, goes in that same junction. 2 into 1. Alright boys, we got our stuff put together here. A 3-inch collector here, Super 40 Series Flowmaster, 18 inches of tubing afterwards with a bit of a mandrel bent turn down. That's what Flowmaster wants, is 18 inches, so that's all it's getting. I think I got everything put back together, boys. Pretty sure we are ready for our first fire. Always nervous. Loud. Oh no, what have I done? a guy that's been doing a lot of work. That's exactly who I am. So, that's the stupidest thing. So we're done. We've done it. We did a full, official, all-out, full-on engine swap. And we've done, and then we did the exhaust. We did all that. That's like the biggest portion of a build, in my opinion, is the engine, and we did that first. Sounds great. Exhaust is hung up. Everything's done. Good to go. Not done. I still have to get something, a hanger, support of some kind, for the pipe beyond the muffler, because it's just all hanging there right now. So that's why I didn't do much driving, or any really. But in the next video, we will do a bunch of driving in that pickup. We will have a nice big long first drive, talk about the issues that it still has, things of that nature, and we'll go for there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button. We'll see y'all in the next one.